Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, my name is Kelly. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a lot of e.l.f. products because I actually purchased probably about 30 products on sale. So yeah, I thought that what else to do but to do a video where I'm using the majority of e.l.f. products. So if you want to see how I achieved today's look, then go ahead and keep watching. So I don't really have like a product for every single step of my makeup with the e.l.f. brand, but I have quite a few. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera and I'm about to get ready to actually do some skincare-ish. So I bought these Hydrogel under eye masks with purified water, seaweed extract, and licorice. This pack contains 3 sets of single-use eye masks. As soon as I opened up the pack, it's kind of messy. They're very like liquidy. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and open them up anyways. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh. I love the way this feels though. Oh, it feels so good. Let me put on the other one. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these feel amazing. Okay, you guys, I know you probably can't really see these guys on my face right now, but they feel so hydrating. I'm so glad that I bought 3. Didn't know that there were 3 in one pack. So I just got lucky because I got like so many of these packs right now and I'm excited because I'm probably going to be using these guys once a week from now on. They feel amazing. So let's move into priming the eyes. So I don't have any eye primer today, but I am going to be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. Yeah, this is a concealer and it's in the shade Fair Warm. So I'm just going to apply this on my lids and kind of blend it out. I also purchased one of their brushes. This is an e.l.f. concealer brush. It looks like this. So I usually use this shade to cut my crease for my eyeshadow look, so I'm not going to apply too much today just because I know how bright it is. So in order to really blend out my eye primer slash concealer, I'm going to take this sponge. This is the Camo Concealer Sponge. For today's palette of choice, I'm going to be using the Opposites Attract palette by e.l.f. I don't think that you can get this palette on the website anymore. I think that the sale that they were having was the sale to get rid of a lot of the old products, so I'm not sure which products will still be available and which ones won't. I kind of have a feeling that this one won't though. I'm gonna try to create some type of peachy brown look. I want to try to keep it summertime just because it is July. But yeah, so the first color I'm gonna go in with today is called Warm. It's like a brown tone color, and I'm also going to be using this brush today to start off with. This is the e.l.f. crease brush. So you guys, while I'm just blending this shade out real quick, I haven't uploaded maybe in a couple weeks. I officially got married, so I'm off the market or whatever. I've been off the market, but I'm just saying, like, officially, like, I am a married woman. It's crazy. I am so happy. So yeah, I actually have been super busy getting married. We went on a very short trip and we are planning a honeymoon. I know you guys are like, why didn't you guys go on a honeymoon, like as soon as you guys got married. We are so not traditional people. So yeah, we're just doing a lot of stuff our way. And yeah, that's just the way, that's like the route that we decided to go. So yeah, hopefully a honeymoon will be coming soon. Which I feel like these days a lot of people aren't really into the traditions anymore, and I think that's fine. Um, Traditions obviously come from your family, or just because people feel like they should have to conform to what other people think is right. And I feel like that's wrong. Like, you can literally make up anything for holidays, marriage, graduations, all that stuff. You literally don't have to do what you think you have to do. And me being the person that like really doesn't like attention like that, I live a happier life doing things the way that I just want to do them. So now I'm going to cut my crease with this P. Louise base. It's called Cute and Coral. Just cut my crease with that base, and now I'm just kind of blending it in a little bit just so it's all solid. Okay, so now I'm going back into the shade called Warm, and I'm using this. This is actually a Morphe brush. It's just a regular flat brush, so use any like square flat brush, and I'm just going to blend the bottom. That I've done that, I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to go into the shade called Cheeky. This is that peach slash coral shade. And now I'm just going to go in with the shade called Sassy, and it's a little bit lighter. Okay, you guys, I had to finish the eyes off camera. I didn't have lashes, eyeliner, mascara from e.l.f, but let's finish the rest of the makeup video. So I am about to take these eye masks off. These I do not regret buying at all. Like I said, I'm probably going to at least use these once a week now because they just felt so good. So I'm also going to moisturize with my Pond's. I always use this dry skin cream. It's a facial moisturizer. I always use this before I put on my primers. So I'm going to continue using this. So for a primer today, I was trying to figure out which primer I wanted to use. I have this Poreless Primey Putter, and then I have my Dew Primer by the Jelly Pop collection. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this goodie. I love this one. I've been using this one for probably like a year now, maybe more. I remember when I first got this, it was like sold out. I was so mad because I really wanted this primer, and I heard it was a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, and at the time I was like obsessed with Hydro Grip. I still kind of am, but yeah, this one is just as good in my opinion. And that's the good thing about e.l.f. Cosmetics, is that not only are they cheap products, but they're products that are actually good. So yeah, just on my face. I don't have an e.l.f. foundation, so I'm gonna use this Soothing Aloe Mist Spray by e.l.f. and just spray this on my sponge, because I like my sponge to be pretty damp, shaking up my NARS foundation. Now I'm just going to go in with a light concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS. So I'm just putting a little bit of concealer. Now I'm going back in with this beauty blender. Now this blender I actually really like because it has the pointed end, so it can really get into those tough areas. And lucky me, I bought like 6. Well, another product that I purchased is the Primer Infused Bronzer. I got the shade Forever Sunkissed, and this is supposed to be for long-lasting wear. So for blushes, I purchased 2. I got the Primer Infused blush in the shade Always Cheeky, and I got the monochromatic multi-stick Glowing Mango. I think the Glowing Mango shade might be too orange for this look because my shadow is already orange, so I'm gonna go with the shade Always Cheeky. This blush is so pretty and light. I'm really feeling this one. A little bit around my nose. Another thing I purchased in the sale was the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. I have never used a jelly highlighter before. I actually don't really have too much highlight anymore, but I'm just gonna try it. It's very liquidy. Just gonna take a little bit from the top. Oh, that's actually cute. I feel like what I want to do is kind of take the sponge a little bit, blend it. It also says that you can mix this in with your foundation, which the thought of that I think I like more than just putting it on top of other makeup. Last but not least, it's time to look into some lip products. So I purchased 2 of the Seriously Satin creams, and I purchased a liquid matte lipstick. I got the shades Nectar, Cream, and Praline, and I think that I'm gonna go with Praline and gonna figure out something for the lip liner. And to set my face, I'm going to be taking the Illuminating Mist and Set Spray by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Okay, you guys, and here you have the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I just want to say that if you're ever looking to re-up your makeup supply, e.l.f. Cosmetics is literally the makeup brand to go. I think that you can get plenty of products from skincare to eyeshadow to lip products. right in this one place, and you don't have to break the bank. Like, I live by not breaking the bank. If you can save money here and there, even if you're buying these high-end makeup products, buy them on sale. I literally just bought so much Morphe makeup on sale, and I don't have any shame in my game, okay? I'm not getting these products for free, so I'm gonna have to get them the way that I can best. If you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys!